Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. I just want to wish you guys a happy bonfire night. Yeah, this is basically what the video is about, and basically I'm gonna call this segment, like it's gonna be a thing, and it's called why is this day special? This segment is basically where I talk about the history behind special certain days that have a special meaning behind them, something. So, as many of you know, today is bonfire night, and it is also known as Guy Fawkes Day, if you didn't know. So why exactly do we celebrate it, and why is it so important? Well, I will tell you. Yeah. And while I tell you, enjoy the noise of the bonfire. The fireworks. If you can't hear them, then there is fireworks going on, so yeah. But basically, in 1605, Guy Fawkes, that was another one. In 1605, Guy Fawkes was one of the men who took part in the gunpowder plot. This is a conspiracy for blowing up King James I and the Houses of Parliament on November the 5th. Unfortunately for Guy Fawkes, he was captured before he could have the chance to actually blow it up, and yeah, he had some sort of punishment, which is what I'm going to tell you in a minute. Guy Fawkes Day is celebrated every November the 5th in Britain to celebrate his failure to... I can't say the word, sorry guys. There are certain words that I can't say properly, and I'm sorry for that. His failure to blow up all the members of Parliament and King James I. Now, thanks to an unknown author, we can remember the 5th of November and what it's all about. Many people know the little rhyme, remember the 5th of November. If you don't worry, I will put the lyrics in the description. So yeah, don't worry. So this is his punishment. After a brief trial, Guy Fawkes was sentenced to be hung, drawn, and quartered in London. On January 31st, Fawkes was called to meet his fate. But the day before, the gruesome public execution began. This was a couple years after, so it was I think it was 1606 this happened, so yeah. Yeah. So that is the end of this video. It was a bit of a short one, but I told you the history behind Guy Fawkes. If you think that I missed something out, then tell me something below, and maybe I'll do a part 2 next year. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. So yeah, comment down below anything that I missed, and maybe, like I said, I'll do a part 2 next year. Yeah, boy. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Please leave a like, comment down below anything that you want, comment good video, comment anything that I missed, tell me who you want me to do videos with, so friends, my sister, my dad. Well, my dad probably won't do a video with me. So, not my dad. Or just me on my own talking to camera like I am doing right now. But yeah. Also, I just bit my lip. Pretty fireworks going out outside my window. So, after this, I'm probably going to watch them in a sec. They've been going on for like, about an hour. But yeah, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications to get notified of when I upload. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Peace. I fucked that up. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Peace. I fucked it up again. Why am I doing this? Do I go peace bye or bye peace? Bye peace. Sounds better. Yeah. I think that's what I do. Yeah, I think it's that. Let's try that again. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Why do I keep clapping? Sorry. One more time. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Peace. Hi guys. I'm at the park right now.